Okay, beta. So today we are going to start a new concept, that is drawing and measuring segments. It is clear? Drawing and measuring segments. Okay, beta. So now we are just going to continue with the video, and you have to listen and watch this particular video very carefully so that you can give me the answers side by side. Okay.
Before that, let us learn about the instrument used to draw and measure line segments.
Beta, first of all, we are going to discuss about that particular instrument which we are going to use to draw the line segment. Can you guess? Ikansh, can you guess? What?
Ruler.
Very good. That is ruler. Okay, we are going to continue.
Use a ruler or scale to draw and measure the length of line segments.
So, beta, this is the instrument that we are going to use to draw and measuring the line segment. This is a ruler, or we can say a scale. Okay. And these are the particular points. These are the particular marks we must understand about it. So listen it very carefully. Okay.
It has markings in centimeters. Each centimeter is further divided into 10 smaller divisions. Each division is equivalent to 1/10 of a centimeter.
So beta, what we can conclude here, that our scale is divided into smaller units like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. These units, or we can say the distance between these units can be termed as 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Okay. So suppose we are measuring the distance between 6 and 7. Distance between 6 and 7, that will be, can you tell me, Anmol, distance between 6 and 7?
Ma'am, 10 centimeters.
Beta, 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. Okay. And again, can you guess the distance between 7 to 9? Distance between 7 to 9?
2 centimeters.
2 centimeter. Very good. Because 7 to 8, 1 centimeter, and 8 to 9, 2 centimeters. So total 2 centimeters will be there. Very good. Okay. So now these centimeter parts is further divided into 10 small equal parts. Okay. And this particular part can be termed as millimeter. What?
Millimeter.
Millimeter. That is still on your screen. Okay, beta, with the help of green color. So it means this particular distance can be termed as 1 millimeter. Clear? So as we have divided the total distance from one number to another number, means 7 to 8, suppose 10 parts are there. 10 parts are there. Okay. So these 10 parts collectively make 1 centimeter. It is clear? When we are going to take all 10 parts, together, it will make 1 centimeter. I hope it is clear. It is clear? Okay. So now we are going to continue. Okay.
It is called 1 millimeter. Kids, remember, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters.
So beta, as we have just discussed that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Is it clear? When we are going to have 10 millimeters altogether, so it will be definitely equals to 1 centimeter. And similarly, we can conclude what? Can you tell me? That this 1 meter is equal to what? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Clear? And 1 centimeter is equal to
10
millimeters. Millimeters. Okay,
millimeters.
Beta? Yes. So in short, we can write ml for millimeters, ml, okay, and cm for centimeters. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, Beta. So
yes,
now we are again going to continue.
Now, let's see how to draw a line segment. Draw a segment MN of 4.8 centimeters.
Okay, beta, listen it very carefully. Here we are going what? जी बच्चे, we are going to follow 3 different steps, and that's a very easy step. Okay, beta, we are just going to take. And here, Vanshika Thakur, are you ready? Vanshika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
So Vanshika, you will give me the reply and you will tell me what particular steps we are going to follow. In the first question, ma'am is going to tell you, okay? But in the next step, you are going to tell me the different steps, okay? You are going to repeat with ma'am, okay, beta? So listen it very carefully. Here we have to draw a line segment of 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so what is the length of the line segment? Yes.
4.8 centimeter.
Yes, 4.8 centimeter. Very good. We
4.8 centimeter.
Yes, beta.
This can be done in 3 steps. Step 1. Take a ruler and mark point M at 0 centimeters on the ruler.
So beta, this is the first step. It is clear? Aviana, it is clear?
Yes.
And where is Bhumi? Bhumi, come in front of camera. Bhumi, come in
Yes.
front of camera. Where is Bhumi? And yes. Okay, beta. So here our first step is that we have to mark. We have to mark on a scale, okay, at the point 0. We will always start drawing the line segment from 0 only. Okay, beta, you must remember this thing. This is our first step. Okay, I hope it is clear.
Okay.
Now we are moving to
Yes.
the second step.
Step 2. Next, mark point N such that it coincides with the 8th division after the 4 centimeter mark on the ruler. Step 3.
This is our second step, that we have to mark at the 8th division. Why we have taken 8th division? Why we have taken 8th division? Yes, anyone can tell me. Yes, Vanshika.
Ma'am,
Why?
because the question is we have to draw
Exactly.
4.8 centimeter.
Because our question is 4.8. So that's why we have taken this. That's why we have taken this. Very good. So now we can continue. Yes.
Now, join the points M and N to form line segment MN.
So beta, in the third step, what we are going to do, we are just going to simply join the marks, which 2 marks we have put on the screen. Okay, beta, we are just going to join these marks and with the help of pencil. Okay, beta, and finally we are going to write down the length, that is 4.8 centimeter with this particular line segment.
And mark it as 4.8 centimeters. Now, let's solve another example.
Okay, so now quickly tell me, it is clear? It is clear that all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
points are clear? Very good.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Draw a segment AB of 7.7 centimeters.
So beta, this time we have to draw a line segment that is of length 7.7 centimeter. Clear? So now again we are going to follow. Again, we are going to follow all these 3 steps. Okay. So now, first of all, we are going to discuss. Yes, Vanshika, can you tell me the first step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first we have to draw a starting point at from
Very
the
good.
0.
From 0. Very good. We will
Segment
always start from 0.
AB of 7.7 is drawn like this.
Okay.
And then 7.7. Okay, so it means we are going to mark 7th point after 7. Is it clear? 7th partition after 7 we have to mark as the end point. Clear? And then in the third step,
Ma'am,
then in
we
the third
have
step,
to join join these points.
Exactly. These points we have to join like this. Okay, and then we are going to write down the length like this, 7.7 centimeters, just below this given line segment. Okay, beta?
After learning about how to draw line segments, let us now focus on how we measure the lengths of line segments.
So beta, now as we have already done that how we are going to draw the line segment, but this is the time to measure the line segments that will be definitely given in your book or in your exam paper. Okay, beta. So we are just going to discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Let's measure the length of segment MN. Keep 0 of the ruler at point M. We count forward from 0 to 15. Look, point N of the segment coincides.
So here, can you guess, Anmol, can you guess what is the exact, see beta, what is the exact length of this particular point? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, 10.6.
Exactly, 10.6. So it means we have measured, yes or no? It means we have measured that the length of this particular line segment will be 10.6. Very nice.
Coincides with the 6th division after 10 centimeters on the ruler. Thus, we say that segment MN is 10.6 centimeters long.
Very good, beta. So now I hope all the concepts are clear. Means we can easily draw the line segments with the help of the ruler, and again with the help of this ruler we can also measure the line segment. Okay. So now we are going to discuss, or we are going to solve a few more questions. Okay, beta. So now ma'am is going to take your queries if you have. Okay, beta. Be ready with your queries.